Hello everyone and welcome to iInterview with your host Carl Heisenberg. Today we will be interviewing someone you may know as Iago from Aladdin, but people know him as Phil here. Please everybody, welcome Phil. Hello Phil, how are you today?
I'm very well, Carl. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well, thank you. So Phil, what's your opinion on crackers?
I am a huge fan of crackers, honestly. When I took on the role of Iago, as you all probably know, he doesn't like crackers. It's very hard for me to take on. I love every kind of cracker. I love saltines. I love them with peanut butter, cream cheese, butter, anything. I absolutely love crackers. Do you have a cracker?
I do not have a cracker, but I love crackers as well. Okay. So are you married? Have any kids?
Yes, I've been married for about 5 years. My wife's name is Yolanda. I have 3 little boys, bouncing baby boys. Their names are Stuart, Jason, and Brian. I love you kids. Hope you see your father on television. Very proud of you. Play football all the time.
How did you learn to speak English?
I actually grew up in South America, and I was raised by this very fine woman named LaQuisha. She taught me English and Arabic. And I know a little Italian too, only the swear words though. My grandfather was Italian. He taught me all the swear words. Makes a very mighty fine sauce.
That's interesting. What were your first words in English?
Crackers.
How is your relationship going with Jafar?
People don't want to know about that relationship. They want to know about my relationship with you, Carl.
Actually, they want to know about your relationship with Jafar.
No, they don't.
Okay, next question. How do you feel about the Asian bird flu?
How do you feel about me?
I think you're a very nice man.
It's okay. Yolanda's not going to be watching this. She's out. She's out of town. You just come with me to the motel. The Red Roof Inn. Please. I saw you look at me when I was eating the crackers. Please.
I have a very personal question for you before we end the show. Have you ever defecated on a car?
No. But if you like that sort of thing, I'll gladly do it for you.
Okay, that's the end of our show. Thank you for tuning in to iInterview.